Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am Javins Dr. Neeraj Dhoria, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are going to discuss the topic glycerolipid, sphingolipid and lipid derived from isoprene. And the subject to which it is belong is the fundamentals of biological chemistry. So let's start. So in the previous lecture we have discussed about the lipid and their classification. So what is glycolipid? They are lipids with the carbohydrate attached by a glycosidic bond. Okay, glyco means glucose. It is similar synonym of the carbohydrate. So carbohydrate plus lipid, glycolipids. So their role is to maintain the stability of the cell membranes and to facilitate cellular recognition, which is crucial to the immune response and in the connections that allow cells to connect to one another to form tissues. So glycolipids are found on the surface of all eukaryotic cell membranes, where they extend from the phospholipid bilayer into the extracellular environment. So glycerolipids, variety of glycerolipids are there, like the glyceroglycolipids, a subgroup of glycolipids characterized by an acetylated or non-acetylated glycol with at least one fatty acid at the lipid complex. So glycolipids are often associated with photosynthetic membranes and their functions. The subcategories of glyceroglycolipids depend on the carbohydrate attached. So next is the glycosphingolipids. So a subgroup of glycolipids based on the sphingolipids. So glycosphingolipids are mostly located in nervous tissue and are responsible for the signaling. Next is the sphingolipids. So are the class of lipids containing a backbone of sphingosine base, a set of aliphatic amino alcohols that includes sphingosine. So they were discovered in the brain extract in the 1870 and were named after the mythological sphinx because of their enigmatic nature. So these compounds play a role in the signal transduction and cell recognition. Sphingolipids or disorders of sphingosine metabolism have particular impact on the neural tissue. So a sphingolipid with an alkyl group consisting of a hydrogen atom only in the ceramide. So other common alkyl groups include the phosphocholine yielding a sphingomyelin with and various sugar monomers or dimers yielding cerebrosides and globosides respectively. Cerebrosides and globosides are collectively known as the glycosphingolipids. Next is the lipid derived from the isoprene. So also they are also referred to as the terpenoids or prenolipids. Isoprenoids are any of the class of organic compound composed of two or more units of the hydrocarbon, with each unit consisting of 5 carbon atoms arranged in a specific pattern. So these compounds are derived from 5 carbon isoprene unit and are biosynthesized from a common intermediate known as the mevalonine acid, with which it itself is derived from acetylcholine. So this is the structure of the isoprene. So these lipids are considered to be the largest group of natural products, playing a wide variety of roles in the physiological processes of plants and animals, and having a number of commercial uses. So in living organisms, these compounds range in function from pigmentation and fragrance to vitamins and precursors of sex hormones used in industrial setting, range from flavorings, solvents, and raw material for chemicals. So these compounds are more commonly associated with being the main ingredients of perfumes and incenses, but these are just a few of many commercial uses from our isoprenoids, which to this they are still expanding. So hope you are satisfied with this detailed session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve that. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.